Now, we'll look at tonight's other top stories, and we start with this breaking news. A member of Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor's protection detail shot a carjacking suspect near the justice's home. CBS's Nicole Skenga has the details just coming in.
We're just learning tonight, Norah, 2 deputy U.S. Marshals opened fire on a suspected carjacker near the home of Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor last week. 18-year-old Contrell Flowers sustained a non-life-threatening injury to the jaw after allegedly tapping this gun against the car window of a deputy U.S. Marshal standing post near Sotomayor's home. Flowers is now charged with armed carjacking and carrying a pistol without a license. D.C. police are still investigating, but say there's no indication the suspect targeted the Supreme Court justice or knew who he was attempting to carjack.
Now to New Mexico, where Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial is now underway, and opening statements could begin as early as tomorrow. CBS's Elise Preston was in the courtroom for jury selection.
The fate of Alec Baldwin will be decided by 12 jurors and 4 alternates here in Santa Fe, Norah.
How are you feeling this morning?
On the first official day of his trial, Baldwin arrived at the courthouse. While inside, attorneys questioned a pool of 70 potential jurors about their ability to be impartial. Just 3 of them said they never heard or saw anything about this widely publicized case. Jurors were also asked their thoughts on workplace safety, gun ownership, and their personal connections to the film industry. If convicted, Baldwin could face 18 months in prison.
And overseas now to Barcelona, with summer travel season underway. Tourists are filling the city and protesters are spraying them with water. Why? CBS's Chris Livesay explains.
Norah, the Trevi Fountain is on a lot of bucket lists, maybe too many. An estimated 1,000 tourists visit this Rome landmark every hour, but perhaps no city is more disgruntled than Barcelona. Take a look at protesters in the Spanish city squirting tourists with water guns. Over the weekend, thousands of marchers blame them for raising the cost of living and lowering the quality of life. It's bad in Venice, too, where the city has introduced an entrance fee, a little more than $5 a day for day trippers.